CapStorm presents CopyStorm Search. Find and replace Salesforce data in mere clicks. I am working for an international mortgage lender with offices in New York, London, and Paris. Salesforce is used for every step in the customer lifecycle, from initial application to the final payment. Greg is a customer who is refinancing his home with a different lender. Greg is requesting a copy of his personal information to transfer to the new lender and requests his information to be removed from our systems. Greg has used our services for the past 10 years, and there are many Salesforce records that include his data. How do we quickly locate, provide, and remove Greg's data? The answer? Using CopyStorm and CopyStorm Search. We start by using CopyStorm to create a mirror image of our Salesforce in a local relational database. For more information on this process, view the CopyStorm overview video. Next, we open CopyStorm Search. CopyStorm Search will empower us to quickly find all instances of specific data within Salesforce and anonymize that instances of data with a chosen value. Since we have already entered credentials, I'll import them from our CopyStorm file. That was easy. I have several key pieces of data relating to Greg that need to be located: his name, his email address, and his phone number. Along with his full name, let's do a wildcard search, just in case we have any places that only list his first name. A given string can be located in a myriad of places within Salesforce, and the goal of CopyStorm Search is to provide a simple, methodical way of finding this data by leveraging the existing CopyStorm backup database. A database search is fast, uses no API calls, and does not impact the live Salesforce instance. It is also an exhaustive search, looking into items such as history tables, emails, notes, etc. Upon finding the data, CopyStorm Search provides exact locations for this data within Salesforce. Results can then be easily exported, or you can enter a specific value to replace the search term within Salesforce. For example, all instances of Greg Smith may need to be replaced with customer 456 in order to comply with the GDPR's right to be forgotten. Let's replace a few fields, then create an audit report for our compliance team. Problem solved. For a personal introduction to CopyStorm Search, contact sales@capstorm.com. Technical information can be found on learn.capstorm.com.